Oh! That's what we're after, guys.
He choked it. Hey y'all, Ben with Hook and Reel here. Welcome back to the channel. I'm on my way to the Tennessee River to meet up with my buddy. We're gonna try and get some largemouth and some smallmouth bass fishing in today on the boat. As you can see, I got the boat hooked up. We're heading to the ramp right now. Already kind of skunked out. I left the baits that I just bought at Bass Pro at my house, so I had to turn around anyway. But my buddies were on them a couple days ago. They boated in like 30 plus fish, so we're heading out to go try and do that with him. Wanted to bring something up. First off, I want to thank you all so much for watching the videos and subscribing to the channel. It's awesome. I'm really looking forward to growing this channel and filming more videos for you all. I have high hopes. The summer fishing has been really hard. It's been really hard to try and get good content for you guys. Like, it's been really tough. So, second thing I wanted to address is I kind of want to pivot this channel a little bit. We're still going to do, you know, kind of what I've normally done about, you know, just filming our outings for fishing, going out catching fish, whether it's catfish, bass fishing, whatever it is. The second thing I wanted to address in pivoting the channel is something I've noticed about the local bass fishermen here. They're very protective over what baits they're throwing, like depth, where they are, like where they're fishing, colors, etc. Like, they just don't want to give you like any real advice, and I don't really understand why. I've never grown up that way of just like being like, oh yeah, I caught some, and then if someone asked me where or what I was throwing, I would tell them. I've never not told anybody. So something that I wanted to do on this channel is I wanted to kind of break that down. I have high hopes for the coming months because the bass fishing is starting to pick back up. The summer months have been really, really tough, especially for me because I'm still learning bass fishing. I'm still trying to figure it out. Whenever I catch a fish, what I want to do is I'm going to show you exactly what bait I'm using, what kind of hooks I'm using, depth. I'm actually going to show you where I catch the fish. I'm going to try and like pull up like at least a GPS map of where I was, because why would I not try and help at least the local fishermen out, like other local fishermen like myself that are just wanting to get out and catch fish. I don't see the point of hiding all that, because I'd rather just help other fishermen out to catch more fish. I don't see why I wouldn't want that. I mean, I would want that as well, someone to give me real advice and help me to catch fish. So, all that being said, that's kind of my plan moving forward, is we're going to still be doing the normal stuff, but I want to also do that. So let me know down in the comments if you think that is something that you guys would be interested in. Got the boat loaded up, headed to the ramp now, we'll get the boat on the water, and then we'll do some fishing. No! I just about had the freaking thing.
That was a good fish.
Dang it. Okay. Getting hooked up. Yeah.
When we got up by the island, so you know the point where like we were just throwing them in there and letting them push down through that pole and into that flat, and they were just getting just one after another.
Dang.
There's one. Where's buddy? Oh!
God. Nah, that'll work. That's what we're throwing, 3-inch Kush Cities. Oh, nice. In that. Oh, I just got hit.
Come here, big guy.
Oh, it's a smallie.
Yep. Dude!
Oh, he's got a craw.
That's sick. You on?
I think. Yeah.
See, bud.
We're on, baby.
gotta be a fish or easy.
Ah, it's gotta be a fish. It's decent. Nah, he's gotta be small. Oh, maybe
I
not.
don't know, dude. It looks like he's trucking you a little bit.
Woo! What is that thing? Drum or something? Yeah.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, it's a nice smallie.
Oh shit!
Oh, dude, he's strong. Oh, dude.
Nice.
First cast. Let's freaking go.
Nice fish, dude.
Oh, whoa, bro.
Yeah, he choked it.
Yeah, he did.
Whoa, that's a tank.
Calm down, bro. Oh, that's a tank.
That's a good one.
Dang, dude. Turning into Christian on me here. Got you, buddy.
Hell yeah, nice save. Nice save.
Oh man, he's bleeding so bad. Quick look, guys. I gotta get him back in. You gonna make it, bud? Oh yeah. Oh, maybe.
There's one. Oh, there we go. Come here, buddy.
I can see him, but he's swimming.
Come here. Oh, that's a good one.
Pushing that.
Oh, no, it's not. Never mind.
Oh, you got it.
Dude, he's pretty.
Dude, these things are gorgeous, man.
He crushed it, yeah.
Okay. Where's the net? Right here.
That's a dash.
I got it.
Oh, that's a good one. I think. I don't want to jinx myself yet. Everybody. Oh, dude. He's a really good fish.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. Nice, dude. Here, I'll put it on there. Yeah.
Thanks, dude. Let's go.
Dude.
He thumped me, dude.
Yeah, dude.
Come here, buddy.
Oh. Dang, that's a nice one.
Let's go, dude.
Solid too for any day.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
That's what we're after, guys. Me and Ben's skunk is finally over for the summer, hopefully.
Finally. Yeah, at least today.
At least for the day. We won't speak too soon,
yeah.
but...
Oh.
You crunch.
Yeah. Yeah, I did.
Crush Cities are back in action.
That's the best, man. Just is the best.
I ran out of Crush Cities though when me and Andy were out. Like, dude, we got to a point where we were super gluing ripped ones back on the jig heads.
Yeah.
And still catching fish on them.
Yeah.
Those would get destroyed. And I started throwing those 6-inch little juggle minnows I have.
Mm-hmm.
And they were doing great. I was actually catching a pretty good amount of fish on those. Felt like a drum thump right there. Drum
Christian's
thump
on
from
a
the
big
depths.
one. It's gotta be. He's down there.
Ooh.
I'm okay with it. I haven't seen a drum in a while.
Come here, buddy. Get up here.
Dang.
Don't run me. Yeah, be careful. I have like 12-pound foil on here. Come here, buddy. This thing feels like a red snapper on this rod. Get up here. Get up here. Please don't be a catfish. I have beef with the catfish right now. Dude, it's a catfish. Damn it.
Channel cat.
Yeah.
Oh, he's hooked all weird. He's on the side.
That's why he felt so big. Alright, buddy. You're the perfect size to fry, you know that? Dude, look, I hooked him right behind that fin. That's crazy.
I could probably get him. He's a small guy. Hoo-yah! Nice. Smallie. Thank you, bud. Thank you, good sir. Yes. Come here. Oh, he choked it. I love when they have swim baits in their mouth like that.
Yeah, you wanted it.
Yeah, just he wanted it. God, I love smallmouth. Oh, there he goes. They're so awesome. Bait holding up good. Let's go for another. I don't know, my line went slack. That was weird. I might have a fish. Yeah, I do.
There you go.
Oh! Okay, that one was weird. Oh, thank you, my friend. Didn't even know you were there.
Choked it too.
Yeah.
I like that chartreuse.
They want this thing, man.
They're eating it.
Ow! Ow! Nice. Man, they are beat up. See that freaking... Man. Thanks, buddy. Oh! Dang it. Oh my gosh. I'm getting smacked right now.
A lot of head shakes there.
Maybe a drum?
Damn, that sucks. It felt like a big bass. Now it feels like a drum. I feel like a damn stingray. Having us a little multi-species day, man.
Yeah.
Good Lord, that's a drum. Oh, big blue cat.
Oh, it's a giant.
Damn it. That's cool.
Oh!
Like, oh, he's feeling me.
Dang, that's a massive blue. Holy crap. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh.
Alright, blue.
Holy crap. No, is that a blue?
Yeah.
Oh man, it looked orange or brown for a second.
He's got like a little champagne hue to him a little bit.
Dang. Freaking like a 18 pounder. Slammed the Crush City. That's whack. That's
Look at my
outright.
hand. That's where that thing got me.
Oh yeah.
It's like a,
Oh shit. No. No. Oh. I might have gotten it back that time.
Dude, I got the drive a boat.
Blowing through these.
Huh?
The wake that boat puts off. Oh yeah.
Here, spot.
Nice. That is a fat boy. He's
Belly on this
really fat.
Look at these waves. Alright, spot. Into the woods.
So we're gonna try something where I'm on the iPad here showing you where I was on the lake, or the river I guess. This is Chickamauga Dam right here. And so I docked at this Tennessee River Park. And then I started by drifting right here, kind of by where this Cargill dock lot and Idiom Milling is. like right in the middle, you can see all this depth right here. So started right here, then drifted down all the way to about this corner here. And then there's this island right here, the Chattanooga Shoals area. Basically, I just fished right here. It's this McClellan Island. And this is where we caught most of the fish here. Basically coming up from these kind of red twisty lines from the point of the island.
That's what he gets for having his, that's what he gets, you know? Come on, fish. Here, fishy, fishy. Oh, come on. They just need to commit. Oh, dude, I'm getting nipped. There's one. Yep, got him. Come here, buddy. Yeah, I got him. Oh, he's shitting everywhere. Or he just puked up a bunch of shad, one of the two. Thank you, buddy. Oh, I tore your mouth up pretty good. Sorry about that. Oh yeah, little spot. Thanks, buddy. Senior stick. Secret stick. No. It's fighting good though. Little spot. Yeah. Thanks, buddy. Ow, shit. That just stabbed me so bad. Oh. Yeah, he did. Little spot. Is that fish? Need the net? Yeah? Cat.
Nice.
Nice. Oh, I just got thumped.
Look, he finned your net.
Well, what a great day of fishing out with Christian. We caught a ton of fish, multiple species. Couldn't really ask for much better than that. So thank you all so much for watching. But if you could do me a favor and please like this video and subscribe to the channel, we would greatly appreciate it. And we will catch you in the next one.